The Tangkhul Naga tribe is one of the biggest tribes in Manipur. Christianity is the only religion of the Tangkhul Nagas today. Tangkhuls were the first community in Manipur to become Christians and also first community to receive Western education. Christianity was first brought to the Tangkhul people by Reverend William Pettigrew in 1896. The first Christian church of Manipur, Phungyo Baptist Church, was set up among the Tangkhuls in Ukhrul. The story goes that the chief of Hunfen Rehav had stories about his great-grandfather dreaming that a white missionary would come to Ukhrul. Because of this, when Reverend Pettigrew showed up, Rehav allowed him to live among them and work as a missionary. When the chief was converted, the whole villagers converted as well. And Christianity has remained a prominent religion among Tangkhul Nagas to this day. Also, Tangkhuls in Burma follow the religion of animism, Buddhism and Christianity. Reverend William Pettigrew was a British Christian missionary who came to India in 1890, eventually introducing Western education in Manipur and converting the Tangkhul Naga tribe to Christianity. From his arrival till 1894, Pettigrew worked with the Ardington Aborigines Missionary Group. But from 1894, he started to work with the American Baptist Foreign Mission Society. After he converted from the Anglican to Baptist faith in India, when he finally started working in Manipur, Pettigrew therefore worked as a Baptist missionary. He was given an official approval by the political agent of Manipur of the then British India, Major Maxwell, in 1894, to work as Christian missionary at Ukhrul. On the 19th of February 1897, Pettigrew started his work as an educationist at the Ukhrul headquarter Hunfun, and 20 students enrolled to learn rudimentary Western education. He also learned Tangkhul dialect from the Hunfun chief, which was followed by writing Tangkhul primers, arithmetic, and catechism in Roman script, and finally translating the English Bible into Tangkhul dialect. From Ukhrul headquarter Hunfun, education and setting up of schools swiftly spread to the surrounding villages including Hunfun, Talor, Halang, Pe, Chingzeron, Fali, Somdal, Hotan, Nungpi, Khangkhwi, and Nambisha. These villages with their schools were structured under single teacher school system. The gospel brought education, and as Tangkhuls are quite well educated, they are smart and good looking, and they have good moral and often speak good English. They have the opportunity to have well-paid jobs, what gives them the opportunity to support their families. Among the Manipuri tribes, Tangkhul has the highest literacy rate. This is one of the fruits of the gospel coming to them, as education was first introduced to them by Alice Pettigrew, wife of William Pettigrew. Every Tangkhul village have their own law. It is untraceable that when and where the customary laws of Tangkhul begin. But it is no doubt that Tangkhul customary law grew from different sources, with the Christian doctrine covering all the aspect of life from generation to generation. As a Christian community, there is no caste or classes in the Tangkhul society, and every person is equal in the society.